What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com. Wanted to talk to you again today about this beautiful car behind me, the 2022 Bronze Edition, Special Edition Highlander. It's this one here. New for 2022. They call it the Bronze Edition mostly because of these bronze wheels. But what also makes this car unique is this color. The cement color is only available on this Special Edition Highlander called the Bronze Edition. So, new model completely. It is kind of based off an XLE, but it's a little different because you're going to get more things than an XLE would get. First off is these 18-inch alloy wheels in bronze. Only going to find these on the Bronze Edition. Edition. This one here is priced at $47,712. At Ron Tonkin Toyota, we have no additional dealer markup on any models, any new Toyota models, with the exception of the Prime. This one also from the factory is coming with the Tow-Hitch, so that's included in that MSRP, along with your all-weather floor mats and cargo liner. So take a quick look at that real quick. That's what your factory tow package looks like. The Bronze Edition is also only a hybrid only model. So you're gonna get the blue Toyota emblems, front and rear. This one is pre-sold. Most of our vehicles are coming in these days pre-sold. We work with a deposit process, so we'll take a deposit which reserves the vehicle for your purchase upon its arrival, and we allow deposits once we get a vehicle allocated to us. I said this is a little nicer than the XLE grade. Number one, because you're going to get the memory seat. This is another thing that makes it unique. This is kind of like a denim insert in the middle here. So almost like jeans type material. Also this kind of bronze leather strip here. You got the bronze stitching throughout. I'm pretty sure they only come captains in the Bronze Edition. But again, this is the first one I've seen. We've got fast charging USB ports back here with a built-in inverter, 3-zone automatic climate control, pull-up sunshades in the rear. We do have those all-weather-floor mats here, but we don't get a lot of carpet mats here in the Northwest because everyone wants the rubber mats due to our rainy season. So it looks like the Bronze Edition is also giving it some unique floor mats as well, to carry on that bronze theme. Another built-in inverter back here. Of course, it's a third row seat in the Highlanders on all of them. Also, kind of upgrade from the XLE. Looks like this one also has your foot activated tailgate as well. Power tilt slide moonroof. Does have roof rails from the factory, so if you want to get something on the roof, just gonna need to add crossbars. All your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors on the door there. This is where you turn on the inverter. Push button start, of course. Like I said, 3-zone automatic climate control. We do have heated front seats. We have Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, so our most advanced passive safety equipment ever on this vehicle. You've got a digital rear view mirror, HomeLink also built into that rear view mirror. We've got a power tilt slide moonroof, sunglass holder with mommy mirror there. Like I said, this one's pre-sold, but if you'd like to get your name on my list for another one in the future, I'd love to take your deposit. Like I said, no additional dealer markup on new Toyotas here at Ron Tonkin Toyota. I'd be happy to be your sales consultant. You can reach me through my website, OregonCarSource.com, or you can call me directly at 503-875-5938. Again, it's Pat Covert at Ron Tonkin Toyota. Have a great day.